Hello all, in this video we are going to learn regarding recursion program, that is program number 29. So write a C program to calculate the power of a given number using recursion. So recursion, if a function calls itself in its body, is called recursion. A function is calling itself in its body is called a recursion. So a is the function. If a is called in itself in its body is called recursion. So let us see. Actually, the question is calculate the power. So when we are calling power, there should be a base value, there should be a raised power value. Okay. So the program starts with hash include stdio.h, as we know that. Then main. So I will be taking here int main. End of the case I will write return 0. This is what required when we are writing integer main. Okay. So before going to implement this, I am going to add a function which is called power of. There should be two values n1, that is base comma power. I can take this as a base, then integer power. These are the two things which we are going to implement. So two parameters I need to pass to the function called power. Hence I am going to read a printf two values I want. So enter the base number. So I have to read this scanf, then percentile d. So I am taking it as integer value. So I will be writing address of base terminal, right? At the same time, I need to call or read enter the power value, sorry, not over power. So here again scanf. So power should be always, I need to consider here power value a positive integer. Enter a positive power value, simple. Scanf, then percentile d comma address of, let us say p. So now I need two variables with me. One is called to be base, integer base comma p. So I will be taking another variable called result. Three variables I have. Then result is equals to, the function name I had taken is power of base comma p. So I will be passing two values, two parameters. Then I will be displaying printf percentile d power percentile d is equals to percentile d. The first one is base, then power, then results. So this is the main method. Now I need to implement power function in recursive manner. So until the base does not reach the value called 1, until the base does not reach the value called 1. So function to be implemented is power of int base, sorry, I have taken b na, int p, open and close. So if a p value means a power value not equals to 0 until it doesn't reach 0, so what we will be calculating is return base, whatever the base value is in a base, into power of again base comma p minus 1. So we are calling it recursively. So in the power function we are calling the power function again. In power function only, we are already in power function, right? We are again calling the same function called power. So this is called recursive call. Recursive call to power function. Okay. So for understanding only I had written comment. Otherwise, if it becomes 0, I'll call return 1. Okay. So for example, if I'll tell the explanation of the code, suppose 2 and 3 values are been given, like b base is given as 2, power is given as 3. Understand? Okay. So what we need to calculate is, okay, result should be 8. Then how it will happen? So 2 comma, sorry, what you have been calculating, sir? 2 into, okay, 3 value is not equals to 0. So again you will be calculating the 2, then the 3 minus 1 means 2 will come. 2 is not equals to 0, right? That again you will call, it will becomes 1. When 1, again 2 into 1 minus 1 at 0, so this will be calculated. So the value is equals to 8. Means in the first call, what you are doing, 2 into power of 2 comma 2. In next call, 2 into 2 into power of 2 comma 1. Next call, 2 into 2 into power of 2 comma 0. At this moment the call is 2 into 2 into 2 into 1, that is equals to 8. This is what happens. So this is first call recursion, this is second call of recursion, this is third call of recursion, when I had given the power value as 3, means p value to be 3. Okay. So this is the explanation of the code. So this is the entire program with us. Okay. I think so everyone understand. So let me save this file to be saved, the program number 29.c. Okay. Now compile the program. There is some, okay, here I had taken base, it is to be b, here also to be b. Okay. file, save, then compile it. There are no errors, there are no warnings. Let us run as I had given the example of 2 3. Here there is something was happened. Let us go to the code. Here it is not power, here it is to be P. File, save. That's why the dummy value has been executed. Then compile it, then run it. 2 and 3. Okay, 2 power 3. Sorry, I have to run it again so that you can understand clearly. Then 2 is the base, 3 is the power, 2 power 3 is 8. Last time I will run 5 power 2, 25. 7 power 3, 343. This is what the case with us regarding recursive call for a function. So this is a recursive function. Example for recursive function is also, you can take this power function. That's all in this program. Thank you.